Now we have to discuss some introduction about social cultural impacts of rural tourism. Actually, what is mean by rural tourism? Rural tourism as an immense possibility for exotic destination seekers and has been recognized as a key business opportunity by the stakeholders, mainly due to the growing demand for the domestic weekend holidays. Next, what is mean by tourism? Tourism as an activity undertaken by individuals provide diversification from routine functions of one's day-to-day life. Today, tourism is recognized as one of the largest industries of the world. It contributes to employment generation, enhances income, and enables fair distribution of wealth from an economic perspective. Simultaneously, it provides a ground for cultural exchange, enhanced tolerance, and mutual respect among different cultures and promotes international friendship. It is also one of the surest and economical means of gaining exchange income. Tourism is an enormous subset of the entertainment industry. In the recent year, with the changing dynamic of tourism, the industry has witnessed shift from mass tourism to tourists being more specific in their taste for seeking new and unexplored destinations. This presents a challenge to the service provided to discover exotic places and package this to attract the new breed of tourists and also as a means to beat competitions. Many forms of special interest tourism catering to the new needs of the tourists have emerged. One such trend has been to present the urbanized tourist a chance to travel from concentrated jungles to greener pastures. This has led to some introduction about the rural tourism. With growing demand for short weekend breaks, especially among the domestic markets, the increasing popularity of forms of tourism which comprise rural tourism represent a large and important sector for the overall tourism market. During the last 2 decades, a strong undercurrent of community-based tourism has become an underlying principle in the realm of new and alternative and responsible tourism. Next, some introduction about the rural tourism. Rural tourism can be defined as the country experience which encompasses a wide range of attractions and activities that takes place in agriculture or non-urban areas. The essential characteristics of this form of tourism includes wide open spaces, low level of tourism developments, and opportunities for visitors to directly experience agriculture and non-natural environments. Rural tourism can be defined according to its relationship with its environment. And some destinations about the tourism located in rural areas. Functionally rural, it should revolve on small settlements, open spaces, and in contact with nature and the natural world, traditional societies, their heritage and traditional practices. Traditional is characters growing organically and concentrated with local families. It will often be very largely controlled locally and developed for the long-term good of the area. One of the most important features of the rural tourism economy is the motivation that the private sector has or investment in tourism because it is small, varied and simple. The role and importance of tourism in the process of rural development has been provided in many countries. Considering the importance of tourism in the process of rural development planning, it is of paramount importance to take it into account in rural planning and plans. For the purpose of playing the positive role of the tourism in the process of rural development, paying attention to environment management, local contribution, formulas, marketing, and realistic planning in tourism seems necessarily. Rural tourism is an important means of enhancing employment and income and can help social and economic development of rural societies. Rural tourism must be in balance with other rural needs and long-term protection of rural resources. Rural community-based tourism is small-scale tourism in rural areas where the local people are actively involved in tourism development. It is often perceived as a sustainable and responsible form of tourism. However, in practice, the planning and evaluation of the tourism development is often concentrated only upon rapid economic and environmental impact, and the socio-cultural significance is left without proper attention. The issue about the socio-cultural development have not been considered seriously enough in alternative tourism contexts. In tourism research, it has been widely accepted that the hosts can benefit from tourism only when they are accepted as agents of their own developments. This is some introduction about the rural tourism.